How to create your own effects on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now at the top you can see this search box. Over there type in TikTok Effect House and search for it. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now at the very top you can see this option of TikTok Effect House. Open that. With Effect House Beta you will be able to create your own effect on TikTok. Click on this option of Download Effect House. Effect House is currently only available on Mac or Windows desktop or laptop. Visit this site from a supported device to get started. If you are using Mac or Windows, you can come to the website of Effect House Beta, and over here you can type in your email address and then tap on the option of sign up. This way you will get access to Effect House Beta, and from there you can easily create your own effect for TikTok. If you are using Android or iOS device, you can wait until this feature is available for those devices as well. I'm gonna update you guys if this feature is available for Android or iOS device. So this is how you can create your own effects on TikTok. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.